To finish up example 2, we are using those same three functions again, g of x, r of x, and j of x. If we take a look at letter E, we have j of 0 plus r of negative 3. If we want to find j of 0, we need to use our j of x function. So j of 0 is going to be equal to 5 times 0 plus 3. 5 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 3 will give us 3. Then we need to find r of negative 3. r of negative 3 is going to be negative 4 times negative 3 to the third power. And negative 4 times negative 3 to the third power is 108. We want to add these two together, so we are going to start with the j of 0, which was 3, and we are going to add that to 108. 3 plus 108 is 111, which would be our final answer. In letter F, we have g of negative 7 minus r of 5 plus j of 9. Three things that we have to do, so let's find each one of those individually, starting with g of negative 7. So g of negative 7 is going to be 5. Remember, that's your constant function. Then we'll find r of 5. r of 5 is going to be negative 4 times 5 raised to the third power, which is negative 500. You can find these values by just plugging in your calculator if you need to. Then we need j of 9, which would be 5 times 9 plus 3, and that would give us 48. When we go back and we look at our functions, we need to make sure when we plug them in that we're going in the right order, starting with the j, or the g of negative 7, then the minus r of 5, then the j of 9. Oops. So if we go through, we have g of negative 7 was 5, minus r of 5, which was negative 500, plus j of 9, which is 48. If we add all those up together, we get 553 for our final answer.